Ramayana and Mahabharata. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are the two epics of India. They show some differences between them when it comes to the dates of composition, authors, characters and the like. The Ramayana was written by sage Valmiki. On the other hand, the Mahabharata was written by sage Vyas. The Ramayana contains 24,000 verses, whereas the Mahabharata is considered the longest poem ever written and it contains 1 lakh verses. It is indeed true the Mahabharata has gained entry into the Guinness Book of World Record as the longest poem in the world. The Ramayana contains the story of Rama, the son of King Dasharatha of Ayodhya. It deals with how Rama fought against Ravana, the king of Lanka, and killed him in a hard-fought battle. Ravana had erred by abducting the wife of Rama, Sita by name. On the other hand, the Mahabharata contains a story of rivalry between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, who were both called by the name of Kurus. The Mahabharata ends with the war of Kurukshetra, in which all the 100 Kauravas are killed by the 5 Pandavas with the help of Krishna. Pandavas eventually rule over Hastinapur for several years and finally enter heaven. This is how the Mahabharata ends. On the other hand, the Ramayana ends with the coronation of Rama as the king of Ayodhya. Vibhishana, the brother of Ravana, is coronated as the king of Lanka. Rama finally enters into the Saryu river to complete his incarnation. His sons Lava and Kusha take the mantle of kingship. This is how the Ramayuga ends. It is also interesting to note that the Mahabharata is associated with the number 18. The Mahabharata contains 18 chapters, 18 long chapters. Each chapter is called a Parva. Hence, there are totally 18 Parvas in Mahabharata. On the other hand, the Ramayana has parts called Khandas. There are 7 Khandas in all the Ramayana. The 7 Khandas of the Ramayana are Balkanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, Sundara Kanda, Yuddha Kanda and Uttarakand. It is believed that the Uttarakand might have been a later addition or interpolation according to some scholars. They feel that the Balakanda is also a kind of later addition to the original Ramayana that might have contained only 5 Khandas to begin with. It is interesting to note that Rama was never spoken as the incarnation of God in the Ramayana. In other words, he was portrayed as a mere human being by the poet sage Valmiki. On the other hand, Krishna is sometimes portrayed as an incarnation of God in Mahabharata. At several other places, he too was considered a human being who ruled over the city of Dwarka. He is said to have killed several demons when he was a child. Rama, on the other hand, in Ramayana is said to have killed Subahu when he was a teenage boy. The Ramayana described the battles at the earliest phase, where sophisticated weapons were not used. On the other hand, the Mahabharata describes battles in which sophisticated weapons were used. This shows that the Ramayana has happened in Treta Yuga and Mahabharata happened later in Dwapara Yuga. So thank you.